And as you watch this house tour, let me know which room or which decorations are your favorite. Merry Christmas! Welcome to our 2018 Christmas house tour. My name is Brianna. This is my little girl Presley. Come inside. This is our foyer entryway. When we first looked at this home, I knew immediately I needed to have garlands strung up and down the staircase and have our foyer table here. I really love the traditional red and green colors for Christmas, and have my apple garland Bath & Body Works candles lit here because it's an amazing holiday scent. If you haven't checked out my Bath & Body Works holiday haul, I'm sure you'll love it. And I hope that you do click that red subscribe button while you're watching this house tour if you are new, because we do have Vlogmas coming up on my channel and you don't want to miss a single one of our videos, huh, Presley? Yeah, we're gonna leave the lights on actually. We're gonna start this tour. We're gonna go top to bottom. I'm gonna show you the entire house, all of the Christmas decorations, so follow me. And when you are done watching our house tour, this is a collaboration with my good friend, Myka Stauffer. Myka and I have been friends since way before YouTube. She has a beautiful family. She has 4 kids and her 5th baby is on the way. And we met up last week and did some Christmas decor shopping for her new house. So I cannot wait to see how it turned out. So make sure when you are done watching this video, I will have her channel and her video linked down in the description box below. They just got a new house. She's decking it out for Christmas, and I'm sure you will love seeing her house tour after this one. But let's start in the master bedroom. Yeah, you see all the lights? You gonna jump on the bed? Say no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, the other monkey's here. This is my son Landon. But this Pottery Barn duvet, I just slipped our regular comforter from Target. You have so many stickers on you, so nice. And then I got this really nice fleece from Target this year as well. And this Ho 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 pillow cover is from Pottery Barn too. And I'll link anything that's currently available down in the description box. But I started decorating our master bedroom last year, and I think I have to do it every single year moving forward because it's just so cozy to like cuddle up under a Christmas comforter and watch a Christmas movie. It's just perfect. Whose room should we show next? Should we go to your room? Before I forget, do you want to see the bathroom? Yes, I feel like everybody's nosy, right? You want to see everything. This is our master bathroom. No, I didn't decorate it for Christmas, but I have my Vanilla Bean Noel scents out. And one thing I will give you, I thought it was crazy when we first looked at this house, but the TV over the jacuzzi tub, I don't think I could ever live in a house without a TV above the bathtub ever again. It's like my happy place. So Landon's room this year is Rudolph North Pole themed. He loves Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's his favorite Christmas song. Do you want to jump with him on this bed too? Come on, little monkey, jumping in the back. Don't jump on her. Oh my god. But I found these really cute street signs from Michael's this year, and I thought it went perfect because ordinarily his room is Cars themed, so I thought the signs fit in really well. We've got some crazy monkeys on our hands. But this comforter and the sheet set and the pillow, I found a huge deal at Pottery Barn. I think it was either in August or September on their Christmas stuff. So snagged all of this stuff and got a great deal. But I'll have all of that linked down below too if you like the Pottery Barn look. Okay, let's go into the kids' bathroom. This is the first year I've decorated in here. Also snagged some really cute Christmas towels, also those hand towels when Pottery Barn was having that same sale. And got this really cute shower curtain. I feel like Landon loves the trucks with the Christmas trees, so it just made me think of Landon. And since we spend a lot of time in here between potty training and bath time, I thought it was fun to make it a little bit festive this year too. Should we show your room next? This is Miss Presley Jane's Nutcracker Suite. I decided, since she already had a lot of pink and gold and champagne colors in here, it would just be really fun to find different metallic nutcrackers and really pretty like light pink and snowflakes and just make it all very like Nutcracker ballet themed in here. What noise does it make? Say quack quack.
Hey, ducks.
Quack quack. Yeah, your little swan.
Duck.
Yeah, she calls it a duck even though it is a swan.
Hey.
And what is this?
Hey, ducks.
What is that? Every day she has to push on them and make their mouths move. But this was a dollar spot hack, so I found that little rose gold string of lights and the gold snowflakes were all in the dollar section at Target. So strung that above her bed. Found a champagne gold Christmas tree on Amazon and just got a bunch of different like pink snowflakes and nutcracker and swan decorations. And then I saw this adorable pillow at Pier 1 and I kept thinking about it. I actually went back to the store like a few days later and just had to get it for on her rocker. And that's also where this little nightlight is from and some more little nutcrackers. But I just thought it was really fun to decorate both of the kids' rooms for Christmas this year. It was my first time ever doing it. This last room is a dual storage room / guest room. My sister just stayed with us for Thanksgiving, so I did deck it out for them and just put some cute little throw pillows and strung that garland and some lights on that door that was actually in our old home that we took with us. So it's kind of cool that we have a piece of our first house ever in this house with us, but tried to put a little bit of holiday cheer in this room for our guests. Landon, you want to go downstairs and show them the Christmas tree? We'll go downstairs and I'll show you our family room with the tree. But I just want to point out that these garlands, if you are in a similar predicament as us, that you don't have any outlets near your railings and you really want to string some garland with lights, these battery operated ones are amazing. I'll have them linked down below, but it was one of the things as soon as I saw this house, I just needed to have garland on these staircases for Christmas. So this is like truly a dream come true. All right, so this is our family room and we decorate our live tree every year on Black Friday, and it to me, it just brings back so many memories of when I was a kid because we always got a live tree as well. Set you down here. One of the easiest way to change out your decor seasonally is by changing your throw pillows and blankets. So I like doing a lot of red and white and creams in here and the snowflakes, so I can kind of reuse some of the snowflake pillows in January too. I always do red and white lights on the tree and kind of do a gold metallics and some silver metallics just to make it really sparkly and special. And these chairs are new this year. I just got them for them from Pottery Barn, and it's perfect for them to cozy up and watch Christmas movies in this room. But every year I get asked about these stockings, and they are a complete DIY. These gold glitter letters, they have them at Walmart. They're under $1 every single year. And so I just found different red velvet stockings, either from Walmart or Target. I think I've had to go to both. And I just have hot glued them the letters on. And everybody has asked already this one. They're like, why do you want this stocking? It's because Coley gets a stocking too. We spoil our doggy every year. There's not a baby yet. And then in our kitchen area here, I just kind of continue the same color scheme since it is a very open floor plan, and just pop in a lot of the reds and the greens. And I really like these different garlands and wreaths that I found at Joann's that have a little bit of sparkly snow on them. I just feel like it's so cute and colorful. And one of my favorite things to do every single year, Adam, did you put these bananas on here?
That's where the fruit goes.
I just realized you just put them on there when you got home from the grocery store this morning. But I love changing up the 3-tiered stand every year for the holidays, or whatever the holiday is. So for Christmas, I always add some of the same garland that I have like strung over the doors, and just different sprigs of pine, and then some candy canes and some chocolate sticks. And that's how I change it up for Christmas. And then over here, just for the stove, these trees, I love them. They were in the Target dollar spot last year, but I found some new black buffalo check towels and oven mitts at Joann Jeffries this year, and I really like the black and white with just that pop of red, since it's kind of the theme I have for the kitchen. All right, in here is the kids' room. It's kind of a work in progress because what I eventually would like to do is have them make some garlands or like with the paper rings and just make this more like an arts and crafts kids room because that's what they do at this table every single day. They do arts and crafts. That's why I have this like wipeable, waterproof tablecloth on it for right now. But we had way too much fun shopping at the Wonder Spot or Wonder Shop that they have in Target. And this is like Landon and Presley's favorite thing. They come in here and for hours we'll just be pressing the buttons and playing with these. So those are the fun little gadgets they had at Target this year. All right, and into the dining room. I took down all of the Thanksgiving decor and honestly I'm just keeping this really simple in this room for right now until probably the week of Christmas we'll set up an actual table scape because I do brunch in here, but there's kind of no point in putting that out now and letting it just get dusty. So I just put a really simple garland here in the middle. On this buffet, I might change this up a little bit, but for now, again, just going with simplicity, have some of my favorite candles out and our manger that we put out every single year, put it in here this year. And I'm gonna take you back across the foyer into the office. Don't mind my chairs from Thanksgiving. Those have to go back to my grandma's house. But this is my boss mom office. This is my first year actually decorating this too. So I found this little silver tree at Hobby Lobby and some really fun champagne and wine decorations. And I just wanted to kind of keep this room a gray and rose gold color scheme. So this is where I have been working so hard to send out all of that merch, which by the way, your orders have to be in by November 28th. And I'll have everything linked below if you're interested in getting anything. And then I found this really pretty blush colored garland at Hobby Lobby. And these little star lights, they're battery operated. And I got those in the Target dollar spot as well. That's also where I got this like cute little pink Christmas tree and the Making Spirits Bright sign, which I kind of thought was a funny twist since I have sort of a champagne and wine themed tree in here. And then just found this cute little sign in the Target dollar spot as well. This really pretty rose gold deer was from Big Lots. Big Lots, I hit the jackpot there when it came to some rose gold decor this year. And have my new play button here, which is just like such a dream come true. And I just thank you guys so much for that. Yeah, you got a kiss under the mistletoe. Mwah. I think there's like one more area to show you though up here.
Basement.
Well, we are going to go to the basement after this. I just have like a little garland and this pillow strung here for our foyer entryway. And then in this bathroom, there's a crayon right there. There's like nothing crazy over the top in here. I just put out a little tree and I have a little festive towel and some of my Bath and Body Works winter stuff in here. Kind of go with the blue Christmas sort of a theme. Okay, you want to go down the basement?
Yeah. Then we come down the basement.
Now I will warn you guys, don't expect much from this basement. All right, come on. Come on, Prezi. I'll take you to the man cave first. I just kind of threw up a fun string of lights on the shelves there. And I feel like as presents over the years, people have like gifted us wine bottles with these funny little Christmas outfits on them. So I dressed up those 3 different bottles there. I just put like an eat, drink, and be merry sign on that shelf. God bless you. And I just have not had the energy since I'm getting over a cold to clean up this toy area. So hopefully I don't trip when we step over here. This is the reality of when you have your kids and your cousins and they just came down here and went to town when we hosted Thanksgiving. So I think what the plan is going to be for this week is Mommy and Landon and Presley, we're going to go through all these toys and figure out what we actually want to keep that we play with all the time and what we can give to Goodwill. So I really want to do a big toy purge before Christmas to try to just give as much as we can to other kids, right? Because it's the season of giving. I can't, there's not even a path for me to walk through. That's like, what a mess it is. Get ready, there will be a cleaning video.
there's room here.
There is a little bit of room there, you're right. And then this final space, so we had a hiccup and we were supposed to get carpet in and it did not match, so we had to reorder and we're still waiting for the next carpet. But I wanted to show you guys what the movie room looks like. It is not completely done. Probably during Vlogmas you can see what it finally looks like, but we did get a popcorn machine in here to make real popcorn. We have our fridge in here.
I can eat popcorn now.
You want to eat popcorn now?
Yeah.
Well, maybe when we watch a movie later. I got 2 of these huge fur bean bags. They're from Restoration Hardware. But I feel like the coolest thing, if you come over here, we have a stand that our cousin helped us build for this back row of the movie seats. So that these seats, they all recline and they have like cup holders back here. But that's what we're waiting on, is the carpet that matches our floor carpet to kind of cover this. It can also serve as a jungle gym for your children. But I found this really cool washable blue, like oriental style rug at Home Goods. This is another one of those big bean bags that is just really, really fun. I mean, adults can enjoy this too.
I'm a king of the mountain.
You are the king of the mountain right there. But got these like fun gray faux fur pillows and throws, and just wanted this to be as like comfy and also like dark. So sorry that the lighting in here is very dark, but for a movie room, that's what you want. So that's how we painted the walls, this like really pretty navy blue color. But I still have some finishing touches of some things that are gonna go up around here, so stay tuned for that. Well, that is it for the Christmas 2018 house tour. Make sure you click the thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of our videos from Vlogmas. And make sure now you head on over to Myka Stauffer's channel to check out her gorgeous new home and her Christmas decor for this year as well. Thanks so much for watching, and say we'll see you in our next one. Say bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.